Welcome back. Faulty 11 kV power line from Tivim power station to Panaji led to frequent power failures in the Panaji city on Monday. Oversupply of almost 25 megawatts above quota from Kolhapur station led to the disruptions. Many establishments and households in the capital city had a tough time facing power cuts. However, the problem was solved by evening.
Panaji experienced frequent power failures since Monday morning. We spoke with the grid engineers. He informed us, 11 kV power line from Tivim power station to Panaji faulty. Normally, 400 megawatts power supplied from Kolhapur power station to Kolhapur. Extra 25 megawatts power got delivered to Goa on Monday above quota. Total power supply 425 megawatts due to oversupply. Western Region Load Dispatch Center at Mumbai closed one line to match regular supply. Power stabilized by Monday evening. Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Sharia courts are not legal and has no sanction of law. Religious degrees or fatwas are illegal if they tread on the rights of an individual. This is what the Apex Court declared in a landmark judgment on Monday. The court said either Darul Qaza or any mufti cannot issue fatwas and try to enforce against a person who has not approached for religious opinion. Court maintained that no religion is allowed to curb anyone's fundamental rights.
Advocate Mr. Vishwalochan Madan, his basic prayer was that these qazis and muftis, they are running parallel courts, and they should be stopped from doing so, and nobody can run a parallel court in India. And they have cited the case of Imrana, in which fatwa was given that the father-in-law has committed offence with his daughter-in-law, and the marriage was declared illegal. Court said that these fatwas, these Darul Qaza or whatever name they are called, or Darul Ifta, they have no legal sanction. Therefore, it can't be said that they are running parallel judiciary. And they have cited the case of Imrana. They said it is an eye-opener, and therefore the fatwas cannot be given by asking for only by a stranger. In this case, the fatwa was obtained by a journalist. They have said fatwa can be given only when the concerned party approaches. This is they have streamlined the procedure, and they have not declared that the sharia courts are unconstitutional or they cannot run.
The Apex Court had reserved the judgment in the case in February earlier this year and had reportedly said that it cannot interfere with the religious decrees issued by the Muslim clerics. Bureau Report, Prudent.
After a month's delay, textbooks of all subjects have finally been distributed to the students of primary section. This year, for the first time, SCERT has designed bilingual books for primary students. For first and second standard students, maths textbook is bilingual, while in fourth and fifth standard, EVS and maths textbook are bilingual.
Look at these bilingual textbooks. They have been divided into two parts so that it should not burden the students. The whole bilingual textbook has one page in Marathi while another page in English, translation of earlier page. Similarly, Konkani textbooks, every alternate page is in English. The main idea is to help the student learn better. In all, SCERT has printed 1,76,000 bilingual textbooks. Standard 1, Maths, Part 1, 15,000. Part 2, 15,000. Standard 2, Maths, Part 1, 15,000. Part 2, 15,000. Standard 3 Maths, Part 1 14,000, Part 2 14,000. Environmental Studies, Part 1 14,000, Part 2 14,000. Standard 4 Maths, Part 1 15,000, Part 2 15,000. Environmental Studies, Part 1 15,000, Part 2 15,000. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.